How to add music to Spotify on Android. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, launch your Spotify application. Now, tap on your profile icon from your top right corner. Go to settings and privacy. Scroll down, then go to data saving and online. Scroll down and then there you should see an option of adding local files. If you cannot find it over here, go back. So you can go to apps and devices, scroll down, and then you will see an option of local audio files. Make sure you enable this, and then it will let you add tracks from your local device to your Spotify library. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.